Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. In today's video, I will be showing you how to raise an invoice against a bill. So let's get started. Raising an invoice against a bill is a useful workflow when you are reselling or cross-charging purchased item. So let's check how to generate an invoice from a bill. For that, you have to create a bill under purchase module. Choose the vendor from the vendors list, provide the bill number, bill date, etc. Then, while providing product or items from item table, you have the option to map the customer to the product so that you can raise an invoice with this product. So for this product, I am mapping a customer to generate invoice. So I am choosing my customer. All the customer I have created and the sales module will be listed over here. Then what you have to do is you have to check the billable option, and if you want to provide the markup percentage, say for example the selling rate will be reflected by adding the markup percentage to the cost. So here I am giving 30%, provide update, save the bill. Once the bill is generated, under this three dots there is an option called create invoice. So while clicking that option, it has directed to the invoice generation page under sales module. So the customer I have mapped under while generating the bill has listed over here. Then the items also listed. So here you could see the markup amount. So if you want to edit the amount, you can, and you can generate the invoice. So that's all. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you want more Zoho tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.